Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change profile picture on Emo. First of all, you can open the Emo application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now just simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after this you can now tap on arrow at the top right corner of the screen that is next to your name or phone number, and after this you can now tap on profile picture, and here you can now tap on the camera at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can select the photo that you want to add on Emo. I can select this photo, and after selecting the photo you can now tap on tick at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can now tap on tick again, and you can now go back, and here you can see the profile picture is changed on Emo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.